Welcome back to another episode of Fast Facts. We've got a really awesome tip that's not very well known to share with you today about citizenship for children born in Australia. Australia is not like some other countries where your child is born here, they automatically obtain the same visa status as the parents. So if you're here on student visas, when your child is born, they automatically obtain a student visa. Of course, children born to Australian citizens, permanent residents, or eligible New Zealand citizens acquire citizenship at birth. Now, children born to temporary residents here can be granted citizenship after 10 years of being ordinarily resident in Australia. After this 10 years is over, they can apply for what's called an evidence of citizenship. Being ordinarily resident does not mean the child cannot leave Australia during those 10 years. Ordinarily resident refers to where a person is usually physically living. That place, that special place they call home. The interesting thing is that actually the residency history of the parents is what actually matters, not the child's. If you can prove the parents have been ordinarily resident in Australia for 10 years since the child's birth, then the child is deemed to be ordinarily resident as well. This is due to the obvious fact that the child has no input where they live during the first 10 years of their life. Australian courts have already made famous rulings on this matter, and they have not been challenged by the Immigration Department. This means that your child could be sent overseas, say for their grandparents' care, for 3, 4, or even 5 years or more. As long as the parents have remained ordinarily resident during these periods, the child is also considered to be the same. If your child has spent the entire 10 years in Australia since birth, that of course is a much simpler scenario. The most common cases we find in Australia is that the parents being so busy here, for example on student visas, they have to send the child back home for the family to look after, often for just a temporary period. Australian Immigration Law Services team has obtained many children their citizenship certificates even though they spent many years overseas before they turned 10. You can read about these stories in our articles on our website. These evidence of citizenship requests can be complicated, particularly if the child has spent a number of years outside of Australia, and we know the Immigration Department is resistant to these applications where they have spent a considerable time outside. Nonetheless, we know from experience that applications can be successful. If you need our help, give our team a call or drop us an email to find out how we can assist you. If your child has been refused in a previous attempt, there may also be a good chance that you can reapply. There's not a limit on the number of times you can lodge these applications. So thanks for staying with us on our journey. We really appreciate your support. And do follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content, and please subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. We'll see you soon. Take care out there, and bye for now.